Microsoft just dropped a huge update that will completely change how everyone works in Excel, and most people don't even know about it. So, a couple of months ago, Microsoft released a new Copilot function, which basically is an AI assistant embedded in your spreadsheets, and it's so efficient that will make you forget about all of those complex formulas. It can literally do the same job by just using simple prompts. I've been testing it for a while, and in this video, I will show you how to use it with 7 real-world examples that will save you hours every week. By the way, if you're new to this channel, my name is Jorge, I'm a Microsoft MVP, and I share simple ways to make your day-to-day work easier and get more done in less time. So before we get started, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, promise me that if you learn something new by the end of this video, you will hit the subscribe button. Are you ready? Let's crack on. So I'm going to show you how this function works with the first use case. Let's say you have a table. This one has the reviews I received from multiple seminars. These are plain text without a specific structure, and you can also see that they contain special characters. I want to know what seminar received a review and whether these were positive or negative. So if I type equal and use the Copilot function, it will ask for a prompt and a context. The prompt will be the instruction and the context will be the reference cells. Let's type the following. Give a category to the following reviews and return the name of the seminar and category. Type a comma and then reference the list of reviews. And that's all you have to do. Copilot will read the text, identify the seminar it refers to, and whether the review was positive or negative. There's no need to spend time reading all this text anymore. The second use case is to parse text. In this case, we're going to help Santa quickly get the list of items the kids are asking for. If we type equal and use Copilot, we can type extract only the list of items from this letter. Create a comma-separated list for each row. Type a comma, and then reference the cells with the letters. Hit enter, and as simple as this, we extracted all the items from each list. Copilot function can also be used to separate text. Using a similar example, we can also get the list of items and split them into individual cells. We just need to change the prompt to say, separate them into individual columns. Then type a comma, reference the cells with the letters, and hit enter. Another way to separate text into columns is the following. Let's say that we have a list of letters to Santa, and we want to extract the name of the kid sending the letter and the most expensive item they are asking for. If we type equal, and then use Copilot, you can simply ask, please extract the following data. Then type a comma, reference the cells with the letters, type a comma again, and extend the prompt by saying, into the following columns, and then select the headers. Hit enter, and that's all. You got the data you need without reading any of the long texts. Another way you can use Copilot is to split inconsistent text into the correct columns. Let's say that we have this table with a list of names. As you can see, there is not a simple way to split them into these columns with the normal Excel functions. But now we have Copilot. If you type equal and then Copilot, you can simply ask, separate the following names. Then type a comma, reference the cells with the names, type a comma again, and extend the prompt by saying into these columns. And then select the headers. Hit enter, and it's all. Copilot will identify exactly what text goes in each column. No need for complex functions to do this anymore. As you can see, Copilot is great to work with text, but one of the biggest benefits of using this function is to browse for data and use it in your spreadsheets. Let's say that you want to make a research to populate this table. If you type equal and then Copilot, you can ask, can you give me a list of all of the countries in Europe? Hit enter and it will populate the values in a matter of seconds. Now let's ask for the currency and exchange rate to US dollars. Type equal followed by Copilot, then use this prompt. Can you give only currency code and exchange rate to US dollars of the following countries? Type a comma and reference the list of countries. Type a comma again and extend the prompt to say, populate them as per these columns. And then select the headers. Hit enter and it's done. You will have all of these values populated instantly. You can even reference data to create a drop-down, and then research for all of the airports in this country, or research any topic like the latest stock price of the companies in the S&P 500. Pretty cool, isn't it? Copilot is also great at cleaning data, and this is a very important and time-consuming task in Excel. Let's say that we have this table with a list of companies. Notice that we have duplicate values and inconsistent formatting. If we type equal and use Copilot, we can ask to write in a consistent way the following company names. Type a comma and reference the cells with the values. Then hit enter. Copilot will identify the names and rewrite all the values in a consistent way. From here we can remove the duplicates by just asking to give a unique list of companies. And write them the same way that they are registered in the S&P 500. Hit enter, and that's it. So as you can see, the Copilot function completely changes how you can work in Excel. No more creating long and very complex formulas. Just tell Excel what you need and it will get it done. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you think. Or share your favorite use case if you've already tested it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to this channel for more productivity AI tips. See you in the next one.